Hey everybody, what is going on? So, lots of stuff going on lately with all these different platforms, and the latest is Podia. All right, don't know how many of you are aware of Podia or have used it. I actually have one site over there on Podia. I was using the free version, and I say was because Podia decided about 2 weeks ago that there is going to be no more free version of Podia. They are now making it all paid. Is you don't have any options now for a free version. Only paid plans. That's it. Paid plans. Um, and they kind of spun it to like, we care about you. we we know from experience that if you're not paying for the platform, you're less likely to launch your business, and so we want to do our part for you because we care about you and we want to encourage you to start your business, and therefore we're doing away with our free program, and now it's paid plans only. And again, it's because we care about you. It's not because they want to make more money at all, right? Anyway, um, so here's the deal, folks. I guess the question is, where do you go? And you know that we have a huge playlist on Systeme.io, and that's kind of what we're all about, is Systeme.io for our main websites for our business. And if you're kind of wondering where to go, that's where I would go. Now the question is why. Now we did have another video on pros and cons of Podia versus Systeme.io. It was published quite a while ago, a few months ago at least. But obviously now with these changes, wanted to revisit the whole pros and cons of Podia versus Systeme, and should you stay with the paid Podia plan? Quite frankly, even the free plan wasn't all that, but it was like, why bother moving? It's free and it works. Now that they are taking that away, and the minimum is $33 a month, and that's if you're paying yearly. Here, let's take a look at this. Let's pop over and take a look at this. The minimum plan is $33 a month. Not only that, they're charging 5% transaction fees. So you got $33 a month. You have 5% transaction fees on everything you sell. That's not including what Stripe charges. So if you're using a payment processor like Stripe or PayPal, they're going to have their fees too. All right. So that's even more. And that doesn't include your email. I pulled up 1,500 subscribers here. They give you, they don't charge you at all for up to 100 subscribers. All right. Which is okay, I guess, if you're getting started. But again, you're still paying $33 a month. But to compare apples to apples, or get as close to apples as possible, they don't have up to 2,000. So I took it up to 1,500, and that's $13 a month. That's if you are paying yearly. All right. So we're now paying $46 a month to use Podia, should you stay, plus 5% transaction fees, for a site that is okay. There's some things about Podia that are nice. I like their dashboard. But do I like it enough that I want to pay $46 a month? No. Now, let's compare that to Systeme.io. Free plan gives you 2,000 contacts. Free plan is going to give you a website just like Podia gives you a website. All right. Free plan gives you a store. Is it an online store per se, where you have multiple products? Not really. They don't really have like a shopping cart with Systeme.io. If you're using a lot of products, I would probably go with Shopify. That's the way I would go. And I have a feeling that even with Podia, that their online store is not going to be all that. But email marketing, yeah, Systeme.io, not only does it have email marketing, it's 2,000 contacts. This is a free version of Systeme, folks. 2,000 contacts, 1,500. You have to pay $13 a month for 1,500 subscribers. All right. A blog, yes, free version of Systeme gives you a blog. Custom domain, yes, free version of Systeme gave you a custom domain. Free version of Podia didn't. So all the more reason to move over to Systeme.io, even if they still had a free version. So here, no affiliate marketing. Guess what? On Systeme.io, if you're an affiliate marketer, you can use the free version of Systeme.io for affiliate marketing. So it's really a no-brainer. Now that Podia is taking away their free plan because they care about us, right? It's really a no-brainer to just go ahead and take the time and move to Systeme.io. Take advantage of their free tier that's going to give you plenty of time to launch your business and get some income coming in before you start throwing money down the drain into software applications. The last thing you want to do is get into a negative cash flow. And here at Zero to Income, Dana and I are strong believers of really watch how much money is outgoing and make sure that you're being responsible with the money that you've been blessed with, and that you're not just throwing it away until it's coming in. Once it comes in and you can justify getting paid software applications, then you can revisit, hey, do I really, really like Podia? Maybe I'll go back to Podia. Or, hey, maybe System's been working so great, I'll go and I'll get a paid system plan. Again, I don't think I'll ever move away from System unless they do something like what Podia's just done, where they take away their free plan. Um, System.io just handles everything. Again, for the most part, that it's just, especially when we're comparing it to Podia, it's a no-brainer. Do you want to pay $46 a month plus your 5% transaction fees, or do you want to go to System.io that's not charging you transaction fees? When you sell something, the only fees that you're being charged are by your payment processor. That's it. All right. Um, I don't know about you, that's an easy decision for me. So, in the next couple of videos, I'm going to be making the transfer, and I'm going to be doing some videos to show you all how I'm making that move from Podia to System and walk you through that process. So, if you have a Podia website and you're wondering where should I go now that the free version's gone, you can watch the next couple of videos on how to move it on over to System.io. Now, if you're really digging these videos, we do have a whole playlist of System.io videos. Check them out. Thanks for watching.